Today we talk about how can you find muted accounts on your Nextdoor app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you click here on your photo profile. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on privacy settings. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So you just waiting to open with you here. It's going to show for you like this. You just scrolling down here. So until you found here limited accounts. So I have nothing, but if you have it, it's going to show for you here in this list. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.